So ang sinasabi mo, Perry, yung ibang mga bansa, halimbawa the ones in Central Europe or Western Europe, naghahanap na rin sila ng new partners because of shifting or changing of global dynamics. Yun dapat ang makuha nating opportunity.
In Central Europe, you have from Hungary, Slovakia, and Croatia as emerging countries. They're looking for trade activity. And where the president is in now, in Middle East, I believe beyond the OFWs, which has been supporting the country for decades with the remittances, and we're thankful for that. But beyond the OFWs, I believe there are technology or industry type trade that we can have with the Middle East, like in agriculture. And also some of the technology when it comes to AI or other ICT type industries. Yun, they can help. The Philippines as Middle East is one growing and emerging trade partner. Beyond OFWs, that is very important to us. Then we also have even within the ASEAN. Japan has always been a partner to us. But as the population of Japan is aging and decreasing, Japan can see us as their next factory. One of the constraints in Japan now, that's why they are accelerating a lot of this automation and AI, because of their aging or declining population. So what we are advocating to Japan and to the government is let Philippines be your factory. We can co-develop because we have a lot of brains here in the Philippines when it comes to product design and all that. That can be done in the Philippines. We can do prototype here and we can certainly do manufacturing and others. So we want to be Japan and South Korea's factory because we have a lot of untapped regions and resources. We want to spread the wealth of the Philippines, not just in the current urban areas. We want to develop more from rural to urban, but that needs energy, infrastructure, digitalization, connectivity. Babalik ulit tayo dun sa tamang paggagamit ng ating budget.
Mga Kanet 25, this is Cesar Vallejos of Open for Business. For more updates, just click the subscribe button and follow us on Net25 social media pages at Net25 TV and at Net25 Entertainment Facebook pages.